Oh, Pereskia aculeata is a penurial, silky sharp that attaches itself to the tree in a vine-like manner. It is native to the northern and central of America. It also has berries that are green and became yellowish when ripened. It also been described with white yellowish flowers with lemon scented. Here in South Africa is distributed along the coast. Is mostly invading the Eastern Cape. We find them in Possum Jones and also in Port Alfred. The problem with the Pereskia aculeata obstructs the access to the forest and also to the it all competes with our biodiversity and native species. Oh, Pereskiophaga. Oh, Pereskiophaga is a new agent. Is currently being described, and I'm proud to say that I'm the first one who's working on Pereskiophaga. It was collected in Brazil in 2012, and it was only found on Pereskia aculeata. No other plant it has been found. Pereskiophaga. Adults feed on the leaves, the tip of the shoot. It lays eggs underneath the epidermis, and they cover the eggs with the frost. And when the egg hatched, they mine inside the larvae, killing the vascular tissue. The aim of the study is to determine whether Pereskiophaga is going to be good for the release as a biological control of Pereskia aculeata here in South Africa. The method I'm using, I'll be testing 28 plant species which have been grown in our glass house at Rhodes University. All the plants will be imported to quarantine, where I'll be testing or I'll be doing my host specificity testing. All the plants will be put into an insect cage, and after that I'm testing the Pereskiophaga and putting 2 females on each. That is, putting 2 females on the Pereskia aculeata as my control, and also on the test person. And it was very difficult to identify the sex of this weevil, but with the aid of my supervisor, I did it to identify the females. On the rostrum, they have the females do not have scales, and the male, they have the scales along. That's how we identify, we differentiate between the male and the females. And after doing the test, that is, I'm gonna checking daily for their survival, if whether they are still survive, and check the position, whether they are on the insect cage. Okay. Afterward, after 14 days, I check the feeding damage, eggs and larvae, and then the adults. So far, Pereskiophaga did not opposite or survive longer on Pereskia aculeata. So no development has been done on non-target species. To summarize my presentation, I think if I can prove that Pereskiophaga is a good agent for Pereskia aculeata, it will do a great job with the recent caveat that is Catorhintha schaffneri, which has been accepted to be released. We'll release it later this year because it feeds on the tips, and then the larvae remains inside the larvae of Pereskiophaga remains inside the stem. That will be a good combination. Thank you.